Fire in the hole.
That's the trailer. What's up, guys? This is Suspicious Lee, and today I'm going to talk to you about my battle belt, what I like about it, what I have on it, and generally what I enjoy about it. But first, I want to tell you guys about my new channel that I've come up with, Man Up, with exclamation points. And it's about me just talking about whatever I want to talk about, you know? Whatever I feel like talking about. Could be about movies, could be about movie reviews, could be about just showing what I do, little adventures. My first video I posted like 6 years ago about protests in Egypt. It's about whatever I want to talk about. It doesn't have to be guns, it doesn't have to be anything specific, anything I want to talk about. But I digress. I'm going to continue with my topic about my battle belt. So the battle belt is really nice. I love the battle belt because it's small, it's mobile, it's not a big cumbersome mess like carrying around a flick or LBV. And it doesn't go on the body, it goes on the hip. I really like that aspect. And it has its pros and it has cons, pros and cons. Pro is it's small, you can take it anywhere you want. Cons is you can't carry much stuff with it. And plus, depending on how much stuff you want to have on it, you might want to add a suspender to it around the shoulders. I mean, I don't have that much stuff on it. I keep it light. I like having canteen on it. I like having pistol on it. Thigh holster. I really like the thigh holster because it's not up here, it's down on my legs. I like having my hydration right there. Always gotta have hydration. You never know when you need drink water to get thirsty. I get thirsty really fast. And I like having my dump pouch. The dump pouch is really nice to have. You could throw anything in it. Throw anything you want. You could throw magazines in it. You could throw extra pouches on it. You can throw, what I have on it is 3 AR mag pouches, and I have three pistol mag pouches. That's 90 rounds of pain you can bring down, 90 rounds of bang you can have on your AR, plus the magazine you'll have in the rifle. And depending on your pistol, if it's a Beretta 15 round, if you got your standard 15 round magazine, it's 45 rounds of bang with the pistol. It's pretty nice. I like having the magazines consolidated in one area. That way you don't have to be stumbling around all over for your other magazines. I really don't like stumbling around for other magazines or other pouches. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. I like the color Coyote Tan. You can also get it in multicam if you want that. You can add anything to your battle belt, but you gotta remember it's gonna get heavy. It's gonna pants you. You don't want to get pantsed. You don't want to get pantsed like that. Just keep it light. Or you can add the suspenders. That's also an option. And it just looks cool, you know? You gotta look cool. Like my drill sergeant said, Drill Sergeant Johnson, know your ABCs. Always be looking cool. I don't know where you got the L. There's no L in there when he said that, but always be looking cool. That's what he always told us back in basic training. And he also said, keep it basic. Keep your load basic. You don't want all kinds of crap on you. You don't want to be that gear queer. And I like the thigh holster that I have on this thing. It's a Condor thigh holster. It's pretty cool. What I like about it is that you can put in almost any pistol on it. Any pistol that you like. Any full-size pistol. I mean, it fits everything from my SR40 to my Berettas, to my P250, to my P320, to the Canic, any full-size pistol practically on this thing. It's highly versatile. Also, it keeps it secured.
Loud for some reason.
And also, it was only 27 bucks. 27 bucks. Fits almost any pistol you can imagine. You can't beat that price. And it's one of my favorite features about my battle belts is that you can holster your pistol on your thigh. And that's basically what I like about it. I don't like the thought of putting a pistol on your chest or your side. Sure, it'd be pretty cool. But if I'm practicing my drawing, hip or thigh, that's what I like doing. Something practical. Always stay practical. You don't want to be impractical. Well, you can if you want to. I mean, I'm not going to tell you otherwise, but you might look like an imbecile. You don't want to look like a numbskull. You want to look cool. And the magazines, they can fit the extended mags from the P320. That's pretty cool. I like that. Fits right in. They're secured. You can also tuck in the Velcro into the back of the pistol mag. That way you don't have to make no noise when you're drawing your pistol, but it's also a possibility it can fall out. And be aware of your pros and cons of what you're doing. And also, I really like this magazine pouch from Condor as well. It's pretty boss. It has everything consolidated in one area. I like that. Consolidate all your things that you need in one area. Pistol mags and magazines in one area. Or magazines in one area. Pistol in one area. Hydration in one area. And a dump pouch in one area. That way, you don't get confused and you don't mess up and hurt yourself or do something stupid. You don't want to do something stupid. You want to train and be awesome. Don't be stupid, be awesome, you know. But that's what I like about the battle belt. There's also other ways to set it up. There's more expensive ways. I don't like doing expensive stuff because, again, it makes me look like a gear queer, and I don't want to look like a gear queer. I just want the basic stuff. You can load it with whatever you want. I like how I do it. Anyways, that's just what I think about the battle belt. I really like it. I like it even more than the Flick or LBV or load bearing vest or however you like me to call it. It's lighter, it's more mobile, and plus it just looks cool. I mean, who doesn't want to look cool? You want to look like you know what you're doing. You don't want to look like a bag of poop. You want to look like a shiny bag of poop. That's the video. So that's the video. Especially signing off. Go do something nice for your community. Before I sign off, I want to talk to you guys about my new channel. It's a channel about whatever I want. Anything I want to do. Talk about whatever I want. Just anything that happens in my life. Kind of like a vlog, but not a vlog. Just more about me talking, ranting, talking about anything I want to talk about. Doesn't have to be specific. I like to thank my dad. My dad really helped me out with these videos. He's been a very important person in my life, and he really helps me out with these videos, and I'm really thankful to have him. And that's my video. So especially signing off, peace through fire superiority. Especially signing off, peace through fire superiority. And have a nice day.